the show that are less than $25, and I'll bet you did not plan on one of those being our today's bonus buy. Oh, but it is. It's from the World of Temptations, and now your cooking day, kicking it off on In the Kitchen with Mary. Check out all of the great pricing on QVC.com and more of the celebration tomorrow, but this is a focused and specific celebration of 20 years with Temptations. Temptations has been bringing us these beautiful entertaining pieces for years. And what we love about this one is that it is a 2-quart baker in stoneware with a glass lid and a gorgeous finial on the top. Look, there's even a hole there for when you take it out of the oven, it can steam. When you are cooking in the microwave, it can steam. But oh yes, do we have color choices? We do. Let's start at the top. There are 3 patterns. It's our only order of the year, and it is $24.96. So here is Old World. That's the first pattern we're gonna start with. There's confetti. Brace yourselves. We've got Old World Yellow. We have fewer than 1,000 in the yellow. Now, this is the 20th anniversary Temptations. We brought back the yellow by big customer demand. Here is the blue. There are 800 in the blue. Here is the Old World in gray. 800 there. Here is Old World in green. Woo, $650 in the original. And then we have the Old World in the taupe. Fewer than 700 there. Let's dive into our second pattern, Floral Lace. Hello. Let's talk about the Floral Lace yellow. 900 in the Floral Lace. Look how fun that is. I wore my yellow sweater today to celebrate the yellow returning to Temptations for the celebration. Here it is in Floral Lace blue. 1,200 here. Here is the Floral Lace gray. 800 there. Now, I'm going to go back down. I'm going to zigzag over here, and I'm going to show you the Floral Lace in the red. 800 in the Floral Lace red. Perfect for all those 4th of July celebrations. Wait a minute. Floral Lace in the taupe. Beautiful. And then we have $650 there. And then we have Floral Lace in black. $550 here. Here's Floral Lace in the Cranberry. I'm adding the burry. It's actually Cranberry. There are 500 there. Here is the one that is my prediction will go quickly. Woodland White. It's already the most popular. There are fewer than 900 remaining. I'm going to jump over, but stay there, camera. I'm going to jump over to the slate blue in Woodland. We have 700 in that Woodland. Isn't that pretty in the slate blue? Then we also have it in Woodland and taupe. 550 there. And then last but not least, the Woodland in the gray. 500 there. It is 5 easy payments of $4.99. It was already popular before we even launched it on the air, and we've had 100 picked up just in showing the different color choices. Let me be clear. It is a 2-quart baker from Temptations in stoneware at the bottom, glass lid at the top with the beautiful finial, and it's $24.96. Y'all are getting the first peek at our big 35th Now You're Cooking Day here on QVC and QVC2, and it's our only order of the year. Oh, yeah. So when people tune in and they go, oh, I wonder what patterns they have, you get first dibs. And so let's get all into it. Let's talk to Lisa Lasort about it. She's the Vice President of Merchandising and Broadcasting for Temptations. It's brand new today, and she's going to get tired of hearing me say this, but I have to say, Lisa Lasort, happy 20th anniversary to you and the whole team, sweet lady. How are you?
Oh, Mary, it's so great to see you. I loved your yellow.
Thank you.
I love the yellow in our baker, and I love this baker. This is an everyday essential. So if you could only have one piece in your kitchen, here's the piece you want to have, and here's why. First of all, it is that everyday essential, right? You can prep in it. You can cook in it. You can put it in the microwave, in the refrigerator, the freezer. It goes in the dishwasher. It has that gorgeous hand-painted design. It has our cook and look lid, which we rarely do. So I don't need to pop my top when I'm looking inside of the oven to take a peek and see how my cooking is progressing. It has that steam vent. So when you want to put it in the microwave, see that right there? So easy. Beautiful finial. And then look at the gorgeous hand-painted design inside and outside. It has an updated silhouette. So it's that nice capacity, top to bottom, that beautiful upswept handle right there. 2-quart capacity means this, Mary. It means that this is great for a family of two, right? This now can be your entree. So you can do things like for dinner, you can do things like your lobster boils, things like that.
Ooh.
But if you maybe have four people or more in your family and you're looking for side dishes, well, then come on over here because this is great for things like potato salad, for corn. Why stoneware? Well, it's going to keep hot, hot. It's going to keep cold, cold. But the thing about Temptations is that it's absolutely stunning. Three most popular patterns, whether you're picking the Woodland, whether you're picking the Old World, the Floral Lace, these are the patterns that have been around for 20 years now, some of them, and they've been collectibles at this point.
I was just showing the finial on the Woodland because the finial changes depending on the pattern that you're picking up. As a matter of fact, this Woodland White, do not wait. I ordered 3 of these this morning. Just to be clear, let's show you, Lisa, all the patterns again. Can we go through together? Because we have the Old World, the Floral Lace, and the Woodland right now. But here is the Old World Confetti. Oh, what a beauty. And then we have the Old World in blue. We have the Old World yellow. Look, Lisa, yellow's here.
I love.
Me too. Wait, I want to take this off and show you just quickly because I can't do it with all of them, but I think with the yellow it's great. Look on the inside. You get all of that beautiful Old World pattern on the inside too. And then next to the yellow, I have it for you in the gray. Still available. Here is the green. Green is the most limited of the Old World, and then here is the Old World in taupe. All right, let's get into that Floral Lace now. Floral Lace in the yellow, again, down into the bottom. I want you to see that there's all that beautiful Floral Lace pattern, and then how the finial changes at the top, that beautiful flower at the top. So here is Floral Lace yellow. We have it in Floral Lace blue. Here's Floral Lace gray. Oh, love it. Please get more than one if the budget allows because, well, I know I did. But I know that when it comes to the sides for Easter and when it comes to Mother's Day and the holidays coming, you're going to wish that you had more than one of these. Floral Lace red, most popular in Floral Lace. Now, here is the Floral Lace in taupe. Then we have Floral Lace black right here. I love that it's just a slight oval, too. And then here's Floral Lace Cranberry. That's our most limited in Floral Lace. There are 450 there. Let's dive into Woodland. Woodland White, most popular out of all the patterns and colors. Right next to it is the Woodland Slate Blue. Hang on, let me show. There's about 650 left in Woodland Slate Blue. And then here is the Woodland Taupe, 550 there. And then last but not least, the Woodland Gray, we have fewer than 500. Now, we've had over 500 already picked up since we made this price available. Ooh, I need to do my stretches a little bit more. But Lisa, this is our only order of the year. So when we see this at, let me say it again, $24.96, it's the everyday size. It's a celebration size, but then I can pop it in the dishwasher. It's everything we love about Temptations.
It's everything that we love. And I just want to show you what I have over here, Mary, a day in the life of this baker, right? Let's show you, put it through the paces. What makes it an everyday essential baker? Well, come follow me. Let's talk about breakfast. Frittatas, right? Look how beautiful this is. Let's talk Mother's Day. Let's talk Easter. The fact that whether I want to use this with or without the lid, I'm going to have effortless cooking. I'm going to have beautiful entertaining because I'm not cooking in metal. I'm not cooking in glass. This is beautiful. Oh, and by the way, that lid, I also don't need to use any extra foils or wraps. I literally just put that right on. But go from protein like an egg. How about our sweets, like using our beautiful cinnamon buns right there, icing right on top. Whether you just had the store bought or you made these from scratch, this is just perfection. Then we talk about maybe things for lunch, like our mac and cheeses. By the way, there's that Old World Yeller that we just brought back that I know you all love. Yeah. We love the fact that it's going to keep your hot foods hot longer. We talk about our cold foods. So we have salads over here, our side dishes that we have our corns, we have our potato salads. Oh, come on over here, appetizers. We have things like putting our bread bowls in here. How about things like our Easter breads, our mousses, In other words, there's nothing you can't do, and it is the most perfect size.
I mean, I love the size. I love the fact that we have 3
Yeah.
patterns. I love all the different color choices. Clearly, I have picked a favorite because I'm
Yes.
representing it with my sweater. But you know what? You get it in time for Easter, too. Wait a minute. Did you see? There's Old World Yellow. I know. And it's a slight oval shape. I just want to show you the bottom and all the way around. So if you wanted to fit it in your countertop oven, you probably could. If you wanted to fit it in your regular oven, obviously you could. You can cook with the lid though, right? I mean, I don't have to leave the lid out of my baking. I can actually put the lid in with it into the oven.
Yeah, that's exactly right. And Mary, talking about countertop ovens, that's the beauty of this. Put it in your regular oven, put it in your countertop oven. You see how perfectly it fits right in there? Also, because of that cook and look lid, look at this. I don't need to keep lifting the lid. Is it ready? Is it ready? Upswept handles. Watch how easy it is for me to literally take it right out of here and now I bring it to the table. So this is a true temptation story that I can prep and cook and serve and store all in the same dish. That's what the Temptations phenomenon is all about the past 20 years. Not only is it beautiful, not only is it functional, but it's affordable. All you have to do is pick your pattern and pick your color, Mary, and get ready to enjoy the world of Temptations.
We've already had 700 ordered since we made it available. So check this out. Like Lisa said, we have 3 patterns. I'm positively giddy about each one. Okay, so here's the Old World in the confetti. We have 1,200 remaining in the Old World confetti. Now, this is the Old World yellow, $9.50 there. And then here is the Old World blue, fewer than 800. And then here is the Old World gray, fewer than 700. Here is the Old World green, $6.50 there. And then here is the Old World taupe, 700 there. Now we get into the world of floral lace. This is our second pattern. Here it is in floral lace yellow, $8.50 there. Here is floral lace blue, 1,200, and then here is floral lace gray. Okay, now I'm going to dive down, 800 there. We're going to dive down into the other end of our table. Here is floral lace red. Red has been most popular in the floral lace family, 750 remain there. Here's floral lace taupe, 650 there. Here is the floral lace black, 550 there. Here's floral lace cranberry, most limited in the floral lace family, 450 there. Now take a look at the Woodland White, because that one is the most popular across the board of all the patterns. So 800 remaining there. Here is the Woodland Slate Blue, 650 there. And then here is the Woodland Taupe, 550 here. And then last but not least, the Woodland Gray. There are fewer than 500. The today's bonus buy price is $24.96. It's on 5 easy payments of $4.99. Very popular cook weekend. You want to grab yours before it's gone because it's our only order of the year. Get ready for the holidays and enjoy that new today find. But quite frankly, we won't see it again, if at all, until 2023. So Lisa, will you hang out with me this show? Will you come back?
I can't wait to come back, my friend.
Thank you so much. I'll see you soon. Good to see you. Bye-bye for now. Here's one of the things that she's